Hi, I'm Ben Schachter, your new broker at the Signature Real Estate Companies. I want to be one of the first to welcome you to our extended family here at Signature. Now that you're officially on board with our company, there's a few things you need to know to navigate the Signature Real Estate Companies. Please expect to receive an email very shortly from Total Brokerage, which is our software provider. You'll be asked to participate in a Total Brokerage digital onboarding tutorial. The onboarding tutorial is roughly 90 minutes of your time, and you'll click through a series of screens and videos to learn about all the intricacies in our company. It's really important that you follow and participate in the onboarding tutorial so that you don't get lost as part of the onboarding process. Next, you want to enroll in our orientation. During the first week of each month, we offer Signature's mandatory new agent orientation. Gail Rosenzweig, our Vice President of Education, provides a series of classes, approximately 40 hours of your time, that's going to be very well spent learning about the ins and outs and everything you need to know about our forms, our software, and our processes here at Signature. So do make sure you sign up for orientation class. You can get the full schedule at www.signaturecalendar.com. Next, the Monday morning meetings. Every single Monday, 52 weeks per year, without fail. From 8:50 a.m. to 9 a.m., I personally host Signature's Monday morning meeting, commonly referred to as Ben in 10 with friends. It's my chance to give you an update on everything we accomplished last week at Signature and everything we have on tap for this upcoming week. The meeting is provided to you conveniently digitally on Zoom, so make sure that you visit www.signaturemmm.com. That stands for Monday Morning Meeting. Signature's Monday morning meeting is every Monday from 8:50 a.m. to 9 a.m. Make sure you're there. Lastly, participate. We have events. We have open houses. We have trainings. We have educational opportunities. We have lead generation brokers open opportunities. Please get yourself immersed in Signature and all we have to offer. You can see all of our specialty events on our events page at www.mysignatureevents.com. And lastly, Sarah, Signature's agent resource and helpline. Sarah's an acronym. She and we are here for anything you need. There's more than 24 managers, trainers, attorneys, and compliance officers available to help you with anything you need to navigate the Signature Real Estate Companies. You can call Sarah at the number on your screen. You can text Sarah at the number on your screen. You can email Sarah at the email address on your screen. You can also Zoom private one-on-one using Sarah's Zoom room at the hyperlink you see here on your screen. Sarah is your savior because Sarah provides you an answer to any question, big or small. We're here to help you. So get to know Sarah, get to use Sarah, and get familiar with everything Signature has to offer. If you take advantage of what we teach, if you take advantage of our technology, if you take advantage of our services, I guarantee you success in the real estate industry. Never forget, I'm your broker. I don't just stand behind you, I stand in front of you to prop you up and to take the shots for you so you never get harmed. Reach out to me if I can personally be of help. And again, welcome to the Signature family.